In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change Facebook Messenger ringtone on an iPhone. So this is actually really simple. So first of all, what we need to do is you can head over to your settings, and in here you have a lot of different options. Like for example, you can see we have invites, channels, and everything, but we cannot find anything for our ringtone. So for this one, basically we suggest you head over to your settings and the basically mobile settings. So here you can search for Messenger and you will find your notifications and ringtone settings over here. So in here you can see we have notification and ringtones, and you can simply change it from here. You can add a custom. So if you want to add a Facebook Messenger ringtone, this is the only way that you can do. So yeah, I hope this is going to be helping. You can see you can change it from here. So if you're looking for something else, you can also let us know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to assist. So see you guys in the next video.